how to find profile information settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile information settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click this one here, profile information, and now just click here you can manage your profile information settings like your other names or relationship, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.